Okay, let's do the back part. So again, I'm going to use this thing, and I think this is inside that layer, so let's turn off this. Okay, let's take this out of that layer. So let's remove selected object here, and let's try. Yeah, now it's fine. Now I also want to add these things to that layer, so let's right click and add selected objects. So I don't want to select anything else except this one, so let's move it and rotate 90 degrees. So hold J and rotate 90 degree. Make sure from the side view it should look like only these things. Yeah, that's correct. Let's move, and again turn on the grid, hold X key and drag it to the center. Same thing, I just want to bend it first like the body, and then we are going to adjust with this body. So I'm going to use the deformer again, so non-linear bend deformer, and let's try bending it first. Let's see how it's bending. It's bending in this way, so I'm going to rotate it, the bend deformer, like this. Okay, 90 degree, so that now if you bend, it's gonna bend like this. Again, move both of the deformer and the object to position. Don't just move the object. You can see if you just move the object, the deformer can affect the object, so make sure you are moving both of them. So roughly somewhere here I'm just trying to adjust it. Okay, maybe I'm going to bend it a little bit more. It looks good, but still, let's see, go to channel box, bend, and I cannot bend anymore. I think it's fine. I cannot bend by dragging. I can put here the value minus, let's put minus 90 maybe. Okay, that's fine. Now let's delete the history to get rid of this deformer here. Now I'm going to use some, so let's first delete the unnecessary parts here, and I'm going to back to that image. Okay, so let's separate it. Okay, now I'm going to delete all these things, I think, from this line. Okay, and somewhere here maybe, so I'm going to delete all these things maybe till here. Okay, now I'm going to combine again, so let's go mesh and combine, delete the history, and again I'm going to take that deform lattice. Let's try that one. So this area is floating, so let's go to this lattice point. So make sure you right click on this lattice and lattice point. Let's move these things. I think I need some more lattice divisions, so let's add some divisions. Let's decrease this divisions here, the T divisions, and I'm going to add some divisions in the S, not in the S, in the U, something like this, and maybe something in the S division. So let's use this, and now I'm going to, if I move this, it will adjust like this. So I'm going to use soft selection. Just hit B on the keyboard. Now you can see when I select, I'm using my soft selection. So let's adjust this one. So very easy, just move all these points here. Okay, just move maybe these things, It's a little tricky, but no, I think this is fine. So let's select the actual model, then delete the history to get rid of that. So now you can see it's done. Okay, let's hide the grid. So I think I need to delete some part maybe 1 row or 2 row. I think this is too much, so let's separate. I'm going to use the lasso tool again, so let's use the lasso. Okay, so yeah, I'm done with this thing. I just need to duplicate all these things to that side. So select this one and let's press Ctrl G to group it, and with the group the pivot is at the center. That's the perfect thing. So now I'm going to duplicate it, Ctrl D, and I'm going to put -1 value here in the X scale axis. Okay, now I just flip that thing to this side. So in the next video we are going to finally look at the gun, and we are going to wrap up with the gun in the next video.